Hey guys, I'm in the backyard and these cicadas are like screaming out here. They are so loud. I mean, it's so loud up there. I can't see the damn things. The ones in Florida are really small. I can't see where the hell the thing is, but wow, it's loud. And there's like over in the corner, there's a lot more, but it's so loud. Wow. There's like, I think 3 or 4 of them up there too. Anyway, I'm just hanging outside and listening to cicadas. I hope everybody's all good. I'll talk to you when I talk to you. Off I go. Beep.